sometimes growth comes sa pinakamababa or the lowest point of your life when you think you're not growing. But the truth is, these things happen to you because you're meant to grow already. You're meant to move forward with your life already. It's time. So isipin mo kapag lowest point mo na, kung napapanood mo to ngayon and feeling mo, ako to parang this is my lowest point of my life. And you feel that parang wala nang nangyayari sa life ko. Think of it in a different perspective. This is happening to you because merong mangyayaring mas maganda para sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang, sa bawat setback na nangyayari sa buhay mo, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Hindi lahat ng negative kailangan maging drowning. Sometimes the negative could also be the one that's pulling you back up. 'Di ba? Sometimes, minsan, kapag sobrang down ka na